What are we gonna do for chicken now? We ain't got but one Popeyes. They done ran the car up in it. I am so in my feelings. They ran a car up in Popeyes. We ain't gonna be able to get no chicken for about 3 to 4 months now. Already where ain't no food places at. Look at that. Ran the chicken, ran a car from Popeyes, y'all. Just because you ain't had no biscuits, you gotta do that. I'm in my feelings. Ran a whole truck up in Popeyes. Look at that. Good God. I'm hurt. I'm hurt. I come to get a 3-piece and a biscuit, and they done ran the truck up in Popeyes. Yeah. I can't even get my biscuit and my chicken. I come to get some damn chicken.
It's going down on Olive Street. I don't know who it is, what it is, but it's going down.
It done went down.
It's gonna be on the news for that.
How we gonna get some chicken now, though?
Ain't no chicken. We can't get no chicken or nothing.
No chicken.
Nothing.
Ain't nowhere to eat.
Nowhere to eat.
I'm sick of McDonald's. Church is too damn greasy. Ran the truck up in Popeyes. Heaven help us.
Hey,
what's up? We don't know.
It's a boy. A little boy.
I don't know. Man, look at the pole, G. Lord, they done messed up the church's money. Can't get no chicken. Can't get no dirty rice. Look at this. Look at all these black folks. They disappointed. This look like homecoming in Pine Bluff. These folks are disappointed, y'all. Can't get no chicken. Heaven help us. Sad day in Pine Bluff, Arkansas. It's a sad day. Popeyes chicken. They done ran a cop in it. We can't even get no chicken now. I'm in my feelings, man. My fat ass is bad. I hope they alright, but I'm mad at them, man. Y'all share this video. Pray for Pine Bluff Popeyes, man. Man, I'm upset, bro. Firefighter sad. We even got the aldermans out here. We got everybody out here. Man, it's sad, man. It's a sad day. Hey. What we gonna do about chicken?
That's all I'm saying.
What we gonna do about chicken? Man, we got folks out here crying. Look, crying, man. Folks crying, man. Can't get no chicken. Man, y'all pray for Pine Bluff, man. We can't get no Popeyes chicken. Pine Bluff, Arkansas can't get no chicken, bro. Y'all share the video. Just pray for us, man. They done ran a car into Popeyes. If they go in one side and come out, they said, damn, the pole, they knocked the pole down. Was they flying? Was they in the airplane? Jesus. Look at this, y'all. Sad, man. I pull up trying to get me some and I run across this hill. Can't get no doggone chicken. Like I said, I hope the people are all right, man. But Lord, no chicken. Popeyes, man. I'm so hurt, man.
Make sure you get cheap with deal right there with the suit on.
Yeah.
Cheaper Pine Bluff.
He upset too. Look, chief police upset.
Yeah, with that suit on.
The chief man.
Hey, can you move over a little bit?
Look at that.
Yeah.
These are all people that's upset. Look at him. He about to cry. Can't get no chicken. The chief of police over there upset.
Chief.
What we gonna do about chicken?
Big ball. I don't know. Chief gonna have.
That's how hurt he is. Think we hurt. No chicken, man. Bruh. Good God. Hope they alright though, for real.
Hey, can we get a 2-2 for the Chief?
Man, damn the Chief. We can't get no 2-2 for the Chief. We can't even get no damn 2-2 piece. Damn shame. For those of y'all joining in, we in Pine Bluff, Arkansas. This is your boy Smooth, man. Somebody in the Popeyes chicken, y'all. We can't get no chicken, man. Can't get no dirty rice. And look, they just came out with the smokehouse boneless wings for $6. Had the little $5 special. That ain't nothing but the devil. I'm upset. Look at the pole. I'm upset. Ooh, man. I'm upset, man. No chicken, bro. It's hard. It's a hard day for me, man. I had to come out here trying to get me some chicken. I tried to get some birds, man. All I wanted was a 3-piece hot and spicy with some dirty rice. Man, y'all pray for us, man. Please, man. I gotta go. I gotta get out of here, man. Y'all pray for us, man. It's just sad, bro. No chicken. This is a hard loss for us today, man, in Pine Bluff, man. Pray for us, bro.